What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ansley D back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we can find some ways to get some extra money, and we can do this on the weekends. So I know a lot of us probably work a regular job, from Monday through Friday, or maybe the whole week. But a lot of times we have the weekend as spare time, probably just going to be relaxing or doing some events, enjoying life. But this is how we can take advantage of the weekend and do some side gigs. 5 weekend side gigs that requires no experience, and you can get done fast and you can get paid quickly over the weekend instead of having to dip into your, probably even living check by check, paycheck to paycheck, instead of having to go into your savings account or into your financial freedom account or even into your emergency savings account. You can just have some extra money to the side by doing weekend side gigs, and you don't need no experience. No experience required. You can get paid quickly. And shout out to GoBankingRates.com. GoBankingRates.com. I found this on their websites, and it's a good look. So shout outs to also Laura Beck and Molly Sullivan and Laura Beck for putting this article together. So we're going to go across this article and pick out some key points that we need to talk about, because if you need cash fast but you don't have time, or if you don't even have a full-time job, or you already have a full-time job, weekend side gigs are the perfect solutions for anyone looking to boost their income without any major commitment or anything like that. Sometimes you don't even have to clock in, you just have to show up. The best part is you don't need any special skills or an experience to get started. So we're going to look at 5 weekend gigs, side gigs that you can start, and you can start doing this with no money, and money can start hitting your account within days or even sometimes hours of doing these side gigs. So we're going to talk about this first category, and of course you probably heard about it, is food and grocery delivery. This one of the most popular weekend side hustles for a reason. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart, you already hear about these different ones, let you earn right away with just a car or a bike or a smartphone, a scooter. A lot of people around in my city now have a lot of scooters and mopeds, and you can rent out scooters and you can rent bikes. But this is one way that you can start getting it. All you need is like a smartphone and anything. The barrier of entry is very low. You don't need any experience. You don't need to interview anyone. You don't have to be interviewed by anyone, and you can work whenever and wherever you want. Peak weekend hours means more orders and high tips. So you talking about like a Friday afternoon or a Saturday midday into the afternoon, into the night. You can get some good tips. Most delivery apps pay out quickly, and they pay out within a week or so. But some offer instant cash options for a small fee. If you need money like right away, you can get instant transfer your earnings to your bank account within minutes. Next up, we're going to talk about pet sitting and dog walking. I never really got involved with this one, but it's very interesting. If you love animals, turn your weekend into cash with Rover, the platform that connects pet owners with sitters and walkers. So you can check out rovers.com. It's an online platform that connects pet owners with pet sitters and walkers. You can walk dogs, pet sit, or even stay at the people's house while they're bored, and not pet sit, but home sit as well. So you can even get extra money with that. I forgot some of the platforms that we can do to get will you home sit people, not home sit people, but look after people home while they're away. That's the best way I can say it now. The pay comes fast. Rover pays about 48 hours after each completed job. Wow, that's not bad. I'm going to have to look into that this weekend. That's Rover. Walking dogs and pet sitting. If you walk a dog on Saturday morning, most likely get paid by Monday, right? The platform takes about 20% of what you earn, but there's a zero startup cost, and you set your own rates. So maybe you're living in a nice, prestigious neighborhood. You probably want to walk a dog for $30 an hour or something like that, and what they take 20%. I can't do the math right now. That's like probably $6, $8. Plus, you get hang out with dogs that you love each weekend, and you probably even get some more benefits out of that, right? TaskRabbit, this is another great one. We're going to talk about TaskRabbit, and you're going to be doing odd jobs. TaskRabbit and what's another one? Oh, it's not coming to, I think Neighborhood. So TaskRabbit connects you with people who needs help with random tasks, different things like putting furniture together, assembling furniture, putting TV up on the wall, moving boxes, cleaning up, organizing their basement, basic handyman type work. You don't even have to be a handyman. Have like a screwdriver, a hammer, something like that, and you can be able to do some of these tasks. Set your own hourly rate and choose which jobs you would like to accept. No special skills is required, and once again, if you can follow the instruction on how to use basic tools, you're qualified. You can have your little toolbox, your basic tools, a drill, hammer, screwdriver, whatever like that, and you'd be all set. The platform handles the payment, so you don't have to worry about that. And TaskRabbit pays out in about 2 to 4 business days. 2 to 4 business days, TaskRabbit pays out via Paystrip. That means a job is completed on Saturday, you could get paid by Monday. If your account, you probably get paid say by Monday, or have it in your account by, I say Thursday would be the latest that you probably would see that money into your account. But that's a good one, right? Next up, we're talking about house cleaning. And this is a real good side gig because a lot of people are busy. A lot of people are working. A lot of people are career people on the road, especially now that it's summertime. They don't really want to be cooped up into the house or anything like that, when they could be out and about, adventuring out with their family. So what they would do is they would hire people to do house cleaning. You don't have to work for a certain kind of agency or anything like that. House cleaning is straightforward work. It always demanded on weekends, high demands on weekends, especially because, like I said, people's out and about. Many clients especially want their homes cleaned on Saturday or Sundays when they're running around doing errands, traveling, spending time with the kids, maybe even out on a business venture or whatever. You don't need a professional trainer to start anything like that. Basic cleaning supplies, you can probably even get it from the dollar store, Walmart, something like that. And attention to details are very important. All that it takes, just attention to details. You see it's dusty, you dust it off. You see it needs to get swept, you sweep it up. So the real advantage here is that many clients pay cash the same day. So it could be straight cash to your pockets the same day. If you clean 2 houses on Saturday at $100 or $150 each, then you could walk away with like $200, $300 in your pocket immediately for the weekend. So that's another good one to look at. We got house cleaning, we got pet sitting, pet dogging. Now this one is one of my favorites because this is something that I've done in the past, and I still do it here and there, especially with having stuff inside of a storage unit and I'm paying storage fees and I really need to get to it. But other than that, what I do is I go around to these thrift shops, or I go to garage sales, or I see things that's for free, setting out for free, or you can go to Facebook Marketplace and check things out for free. Craigslist checks things out for free. What I'm talking about is flipping and reselling items. Now even check your own storage area, your own closet, your own cupboards, whatever like that. Sometimes we will have items that are fairly new, sometimes even brand new, haven't been out of the box or really out of the box, that you can flip and resell. This is one take bite, all right? This one takes the bite on more hustles, right? Because this one anybody can do, right? It takes a little bit more hustle, but anybody can do. So basically, what you're gonna do is, it's going to pay off big. So basically what you're going to do is spend your Saturday morning looking at thrift stores, going to garage sales, estate sales. Estate sales is a good one. I'm going to start doing some more videos because I saw some websites that do estate sales and you can find a lot of items, dirt cheap, penny on a dollar. You can go ahead and you flip them. So popular items to flip includes vintage clothing, electronics, furniture, collectibles, sneakers, shoes, a wide variety of things, right? A wide variety of things. So you can go ahead and get on Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, OfferUp. It's a few other platforms. Like I said, I'm going to do some videos on those platforms where you can do reselling on, because those platforms, you don't even need those platforms. Honestly, really and truly, if you just have like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, you'd be able to sell stuff and you'd be amazed, like, oh, wow, people. But then if you have Mercari and OfferUp, then it's a little bit more incentive, even though those platforms take a little fee. But say like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, right? So you flipping popular items includes, like I said, electronic furnitures and all that stuff. So once again, shout outs to gobankingrates.com for this one. This was good tips because these are some things that I have already done and some things that I'm looking into doing. I haven't really did the food and grocery delivery, but what I've been thinking about coming up with an idea where I can delivery groceries, like set up a senior citizen concierge service, where I'll be marketing to senior citizens and their family, where I can pick up their groceries, or maybe meet them at the grocery store, pick them up from there and drop them off, or vice versa, things like that. Even like going shopping instead of like using Instacart. I mean, no diss to Instacart, but you could just meet up with these families and you can do these things directly instead of using a platform. You can build up your clients and you'd be good to go. So that's a good thing to think about, right? Food and grocery deliveries for like senior citizens. Do like a senior citizen concierge service. TaskRabbit is great. Not including what this one was neighborhood. I'll probably do another video on neighborhood. House cleaning, that's a good one. TaskRabbit and house cleaning, that's a good one. Flipping and reselling items, and don't forget about Rover, pet sitting and dog walking. All right, so once again, it's Ansley D. Hope you got some value out of this. Check out some of this. Like, I'm doing this video on a Friday because I was looking at some ways how I can generate some extra income, multiple streams of income real quick, and I thought about these and like, you know what, let me compile a list and go after one of these. I think the one that I'm gonna go after this weekend, because it's one of my favorites, like reselling, right? This takes a little bit of groundwork, takes a little bit more hustle, but you find the right items and you go ahead and you resell them, you be good. So you could do reselling and house cleaning on one day and come off with a little bit of something. It's just about getting some extra money in your pockets, into your bank account, especially with inflation and rising costs of everything. It helps to offset some of these prices. So once again, it's Ansley D. Hope you got some value out of this. Leave me a message in the comment. What kind of side gig would you do for the weekend in order to put some extra money in your pocket? Fast, pays quickly, no experience needed. Let me know which one you would like to do or which one you might start with. Or even if you have ideas that's not on this list, let me know in the comment and I'll talk to you later. Once again, it's Ansley D. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Be safe.